I'm Greg with Doodlebuggers. I'm here in Pensacola and we're going to show you how to properly service this burner. Start by removing the logs. Once the logs have been removed, we will then remove all of the old ember bed material as it has become frail. This is a vent-free burner. It must be serviced on an annual basis. Reason for it, you've got dust and debris that builds up over time on the burner. It is hard for a system to burn clean whenever your ports are all filled full of dust, pet hair, and debris. Over time, this will cause carbon crystallization to build up on the top. This will heat up and it will actually emit CO into the home. Next step, now that all the embers have been removed, we're going to go through and we're just going to clean off the burner. We're just going to lightly blow across the burner to remove the dust. On the back side of this pilot, there is an air orifice. You're just going to want to lightly blow to remove the dust. Primarily, the largest problem with these happens to be the batteries. These batteries need to be changed on an annual basis. We just recommend that you just go ahead and have the whole burner serviced at that time. That way you stay on the annual program. Now we're going to add new ember bed material, just in small amounts over top of the little holes. All right, as I go to put these back together, I like to always just brush them off. They all have their exact locations that they belong in. And if you have the manual or if you don't, the best thing is just to look it up. That way you know exactly where you're putting it. Now that everything has been reassembled, now we will test the system again to verify that everything is working great.